Oh, dude, this isn't. This used to be a Red Lion Inn before. Oh, I can easily tell.
Yeah.
This is a nice elevator. This is epic. Oh, thank you for showing me this.
You're welcome.
Hey. Is there an elevator in that building or no? You
No.
checked?
There isn't.
Okay. Yeah, there's one like this in Tucson that's very similar. That's why I think this was a Red Lion before.
And I like these light bulbs. I wonder if they light up at night.
They might. This is a really retro looking elevator. Let's get off at 3. Switch sides. Okay, let's get off here.